Welcome to the on-screen results setup for simple assessments tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through setting up on-screen results for your simple assessment in a Golix, allowing you to customize the results shown to your respondents. First, navigate to the Results tab in the editor and select the checkbox next to On-Screen. Then click the Edit On-Screen Results button to begin setting up the on-screen feedback. This will open the On-Screen Results Setup editor window. Here you can customize the results your respondents will see after completing the assessment. At the top of the editor, you can add introductory content such as text, images, or video. This content will appear above the numeric scores and feedback on the respondent's results page. Next, let's review the dynamic content options that determine how your assessment results appear to each respondent. You can choose to display the numeric score for your simple assessment. This shows the respondent's score based on their answers. You can also choose to display a graphical representation of the score. For simple assessments, a gauge chart will be shown. If you want to display the questions and the respondent's answers, you can enable this option. When Show Questions and Responses is enabled, you can also choose to display any question notes that you've added to your assessment. You can add buttons that allow respondents to share their results on social media, like Facebook and Twitter. If you'd like to provide respondents with a downloadable PDF report of their results, you can include a link to download it directly from the results page. For simple assessments, you can decide which score interpretations will be shown. By default, only the score interpretation for the respondent's score range will be displayed. You can choose to show only the interpretation for the respondent's score range, or display the interpretations for all score ranges. On the other hand, you can choose not to show any interpretations at all. At the bottom of the page, there's an editor where you can add concluding text or additional explanatory text. This is a great place to include a call to action, such as linking to your website, offering your calendar, or providing additional resources. That's it! You've successfully set up the on-screen results for your simple assessment. This flow will work seamlessly for displaying results on-screen, sending them via email, and generating PDF reports for your respondents. Thanks for joining us today. Please check out our other videos to learn more about our software and what we can do for you. And remember, you can reach your goals with a Golix.